We'll guide you through how to add formulas in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser, then move your cursor to the search bar and click it so you can type. Enter Notion into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to load the results. When the page finishes loading, click the first option that shows up, which will take you to Notion. Once the site opens, log in or sign into your account so you can access your workspace. After you are logged in, go to the private section on the left side of the screen. Press the plus button on the right side of that section to create a new page. When the new page opens, click inside the main area of the page and type /table to bring up the table options. Select the table view so you can start working with a database layout. Inside the name column, enter a bit of data so the table has its first entry. Then press the Add Property button to create a new property for the table. When the menu opens, choose Number as the property type. After that, press the plus button again to add another property, and once again select Number so you now have 2 number properties. Add one more property and change its type to Formula, since this is where you will place the calculation. With the properties ready, go to both number properties and fill in some data. This gives the formula something to calculate. Then select the Formula property to open the Formula editor. Inside the editor, add your formula by choosing one number property, then clicking the plus button and selecting the second number property. This simple formula will add the values from both number properties. You can also change the formula based on what you need. Use the minus sign if you want to subtract one property from another. Press the / key if you want to divide the values. You can also use the star symbol to multiply the 2 number properties. After placing the formula inside the editor, confirm it so it applies to your table. The formula property will then show the result for each row based on the values inside the 2 number properties. Keep adjusting the formula if needed until it gives you the exact result you want.